Once you have the housing separated, you will see that the top of the element is held together by two nuts and a compression spring. To take that apart, all you need is a 13mm wrench, and you can just very easily unscrew the top nut. The top nut that is used is always a lock nut for extra security. And then you would do the same process with the second nut, which would loosen the entire stack. And you'd be left with the compression spring and washer that is left over. And then very simply, each of these pieces would disassemble.